We've got a development called the trees. We did that. And funny enough, in this COVID environment, about 30% of the food, fruit, and herbs people are harvesting from that urban farm in the lawn area itself. And these are just troughs, right? Now, imagine the benefit of this if we were able to scale this up. As conscious developers, we are doing that in any way, any case. We are not necessarily seeing the benefits of it, or people who are willing to pay extra. Now relate this back to a car example, right? Would you buy a Honda versus a whatever it is, an American gas guzzler? All right. Now, once they have bought the property, no one or very few people are telling them how to use this property in a way that will give them benefits. And what are the benefits, right? So we said, okay, how do we do this? Can we just make a simple manual? You know, when you buy a TV, you get a manual. So let's make a manual that tells you that if you use your house or your equipment in this way, chances are you will see that your water bill is low, your energy bill is low over the year, so on and so forth. So, okay, interesting. Now, what was missing? Measurement was missing. So how do you measure that? You know, firstly, how much is your water bill? How much is your electricity bill? What is the baseline? What is a green building and what is not a green building? So we said, okay, how do we do that? So, you know, in the market, there are a lot of home automation companies. Now, they make a living by doing what? Like, you know, you can sit in this room and put on the light or flush the toilet and do all these kind of funky things. We said, instead, can we work with them and say that, can you tell me, I put my AC on for 2 hours, how much electricity I used? What does that equate to in terms of money spent or my water or something like that, right? Now, if the measurement is in place in front of the customer, they can see the benefits accrue to them. And I think that is key. Another point is, you know, innovation. I think there's a lack of innovation, or maybe there's a lack of focus on innovation in this space. You know, the kind of things we've looked at, and these are not very rocket science examples. You know, we said we're going to provide so much green area, for example. Now, can that green area or landscape area be a productive landscape? We did that in our development. You know, we've got a development called the trees. We did that. And funny enough, in this COVID environment, about 30% of the food, fruit, and herbs people are harvesting from that urban farm in the lawn area itself. And these are just troughs, right? Now, imagine the benefit of this if we were able to scale this up, right? We've talked about things like, solar power, street lamps, and all of these things. And what's interesting in this is, if one pilot is successful over our portfolios, if we extrapolate the benefit, I mean, it's crazy, right? It's crazy for us in terms of, in a good way, to build this, and the benefits are even more exponential for the customer.